Hey, what's up YouTube? It's John Miro back again with another video, and today we're going to be talking about Apple stocks. Yes, Apple is doing good today. It's not doing as good as I would say Microsoft, but it is still doing good, and they've got some cool things happening with Apple. Maybe you're one of the million, trillion, billion people that have an iPhone. Well, guess what, guys? I've got some good news just for you. Before we get into the video, what 3 prizes do you want to see on the next giveaway video? Let me know down in the comments below. Hey guys, welcome back to another video where you come for the entertainment, the news, and just a little bit of craziness. Now, I hope you guys are having just a great day. Hoping everything's going good for you guys. Thank you so much for the support. And yes, we did the giveaway. Somebody already won. And guess what that means? We're doing another giveaway. It's not in this video. I'll have a video soon to come, so stay tuned for that. If you're not already a part of this family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell icon so that way you don't miss any videos. Are you an Apple fan? Do you have an Apple iPhone? Well, which iPhone do you have? Let me know down in the comments below. But today, we're kind of curious about what's happening with Apple because they're doing something a little bit different. Let's take a look. Apple Goldman Plan, buy now, pay later. Service to rival Affirm. Now, the buy now, pay later is something that's so strategic that, man, everybody is going to want to be a part of it. Why? Because number one, they can just buy something now, get it when they want it, which is typically now, and not have to worry about paying for it until later. Man, that sounds like a really good idea. Now, let's take a step back. If you listen to those who are in the financial industry, like, for example, Gordon Ramsay, like, for example, Dave Ramsey, if you don't have the cash, you probably shouldn't buy it, but hey, who wants to hear that kind of stuff? Apple is doing something that is truly amazing. Buy now, pay later. Man, you want some cool headphones? You want the newest iPhone? You don't even have to pay for it now. You can just pay for it later. Okay, I guess you guys get the point already. Apple Inc. is working on a new service that will let consumers pay for any Apple Pay purchase in installments over time, rivaling the buy now, pay later. Man, this is pretty sweet. This is a pretty good deal. I think I might even jump on it. So right now, I currently have an Android, the Galaxy S20 Ultra. It's a great phone. If you want to know a little bit more about it, let me know down in the comments below. Maybe you're looking at getting that phone. I can definitely give you some advice. I've had it for a while. I got it when it first came out. There's a huge promotion going on. And yes, I did have an iPhone, but I kind of grew up with Android, and I kind of went when the 10X came out, and now I'm back with Android, but I'm waiting for the iPhone 13 to come out so then I can make the transition. Or will I? Let me know in the comments down below which phone you think is better. Is it Android or is it Apple? But let's continue reading. The upcoming service, known internally as Apple Pay Later, will use Goldman Sachs Group Inc. as the lender for the loans needed for the installments offering, according to people with knowledge of matter. Goldman Sachs has been Apple's partner for Apple Card credit card since 2019. But the new offering isn't tied to the Apple Card and doesn't require the use of one, said the people who asked not to be named discussing unannounced products. I mean, sure, they don't want to be named because they don't really know what's actually going to happen. If they did, then they would actually want to take credit, right? So the Apple stock is actually doing really good. It's got a 1.14%. It's up today, guys. It's been doing really good. And for those who are big Apple iPhone fans, this would be a great stock to invest in because there's something that they've got up their sleeve that's going to provide a 20% boost for this stock. Now, of course, disclaimer, this is not telling you what to do. I'm just giving you entertainment. We'll leave it at that. So Apple is boosting iPhone production by as much as 20% this year. That's crazy. Apple Inc. is seeking sharply to ramp up productions of iPhones this year, anticipating heavy demand for its upgrade cycle. Now, right quick, how many of you guys love the iPhone Forever plan? I mean, look, I love it. I went to the Android and guess what? They kicked the Galaxy Forever plan out the window and I'm like, that's not cool. But guess what? iPhone will make sure they give you a new phone every single year for as long as you want. And it's called the iPhone Forever plan. Kind of a reason why I kind of want to go back to iPhone, because who doesn't want the newest, coolest phone every year, right? Apple has asked its suppliers to build as many as 90 million iPhones in 2021. Bloomberg reported about a 20% boost from the roughly 75 million units produced in recent years. Wow, that's insane. While the technology improvements in this year's new iPhone, which is expected to be unveiled in September, are expected to be incremental, Apple is counting on 5G and the more open post-vaccine businesses environment to drive sales. Now, so here's information about the stock. Apple shares closed Tuesday at a record high of $145.48. The stock is up 10% year to date and up over 50% over the past 12 months. So what do you think is going to happen when this 20% boost takes place? That means that the stock's going to keep on rising. Guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't worry, we've got another giveaway video coming soon. I'm gonna bring it, and I'm trying to bring some cooler prizes so that way you guys have an opportunity that one lucky subscriber has the chance to win something really cool. But let me ask you guys, the viewers, what 3 prizes would you like to see in the next giveaway video? Should I go for 1,500 subscribers or should I go for 2,000? Now, depending on the prizes, I might just elevate it. If we were going to go for the 2,000 subscriber goal, I might just offer the prize of the best Bose noise canceling headphones that's out there, or Beats noise canceling headphones that are out there, ranging anywhere from $300 to $400 headphones. Let me tell you something, guys. First time that I've ever had noise canceling headphones, not earbuds, the real headphones, the real deal. It was so life-changing. I would go into Starbucks, I would go to different places, you know, just to sit and read, and it was like I couldn't hear anything. It was like quiet. It was amazing. So you definitely don't want to miss that video. Thank you again. Until next time, I'm John Muro. Peace.